I've been in Minnesota for about 10 years and come back once in a while to play with John and Chris and with Kennedy's Kitchen. It's wonderful. Always great to be here. This song, we're doing love songs, I guess, tonight. This is one I wrote. I wrote it for my parents-in-law. They, at an advanced age, lost one another to Alzheimer's. And kind of watching them, they loved one another and they sort of lost one another. And this song kind of tumbled out of me. So I didn't really write it, it just sort of happened. So it's called Land by the Sea. I was walking along today, passing the time, when your memory called out to me. Your eyes and your face and the touch of your hand seemed so real, then they faded away. When we walked on together, just you and me, down the lane to the land by the sea, where the waves came ashore and time held us no more, and forever young lovers we'd be. I cannot remember the first time I saw you, your memories timeless in time. I fell for you hopelessly, helpless in love, be with you for the rest of my life. And we walked on together, just you and me, down the lane to the land by the sea, where the waves came ashore and time held us no more, and forever young lovers we'd be. With the passing of time came the day that our minds wandered off on their own separate ways. Well, I couldn't hold on, so I had to just let you go. I lost you, my love, and my life. But we walked on together, just you and me, down the lane to the land by the sea, where the waves came ashore and time held us no more, and forever young lovers we'd be. Though you're lost, I'll not give up the hope that I'll find you again, somehow or some way. If I have to search all of the rest of my life, I'll gaze into your eyes once again. And we'll walk on together, just you and me, down the lane to the land by the sea, where the waves come ashore and time passes no more, and forever young lovers will be. And we'll walk on together, down the lane to the land by the sea, where the waves come ashore and
and forever young lovers will be.
Thank you.